Hello, welcome to my daily earnings. Today I'll be showing you guys the software I use in developing my apps. Most times people have been asking me to make tutorials on how to develop apps, you understand, so that they will learn and know how I build my apps. But also I'll be showing you guys how my earnings are going in my Admob account, how much I've been earning so far. I'm on unlimited, so I'll be showing you guys how much I've been earning so far at the end of this video. So what I use in develop my app is called Android Studio. So you can get Android Studio on their websites. Okay, as I said, you can get Android Studio from developer.android.com/studio. So when you go to this website, you download and install Android Studio, you understand. So if you click on this button here now, you download the latest version of Android Studio. So this is what I use in developing my apps. It's a very powerful tool, powerful IDE, powerful integrated development environment. So you can use this to build almost any type of app that you can think of. So this is what I actually use. So if you click here now, download Android Studio 2021, this part 2. So when you click, you accept everything, and Android Studio Bumblebee 2021. So this is the latest version. When you click on it, you can be able to download Android Studio, you understand. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into Android Studio. Let me show you people one or two things. So in Android Studio, this is let's use an empty project. This is an empty project. So in Android Studio, for you to start building apps, you have to create a new project. When you click File, new project. So there are different activities and different layouts you can choose, you understand, but I like to choose this one, empty activity. When you click on it, you click next. Then here you input the name, you understand. You input the name of your app or the name of the project, and you click finish. Here too is where you will select the API, like the Android version you are building for, you understand. If you are using API 16, you are going to build from Android version 4.1 upwards. If you are using API this, you are going to build from Android version 4.2. If you are building API 18, 4.3. So just like that till you come to API 30, Android version 11. So for me, selecting a lower API will help you to run your app for more users, more devices to be able to download your application. So that's why it's good to select lower. So I will run about 100 of devices. You see, it's 100 of devices because of I selected API 16. What if I select API 21? You see, my app now will run on 98% of the devices. Then if I select API 23, 94% of people using Android phones. Then if I select API 27, 78%. If I select API 28, 69% of people who have access to use my app. So I like selecting API 16, and then I click finish. So that is it. Then in building app, you need to create activities for each of the functions you want the app to do, you understand. For example, login screen, you understand, you have to create activity for it where a user want to log into your app, and you create activity for it. So if you click on file, new, you come here, new activity. I like using empty activity. Then for example, we are creating login activity. You can click, you can change the name here, change to login activity. Once you change it, then layout name, the layout name will be login. Generate a layout file. So if you want to, due to we are having a login, so we need a layout, kind of a user interface. That's why we need a layout. That's why I say generate a layout file. So you might choose to click it or not if you need a layout. But if it is something that a code that will run in the background, you don't need a layout. But due to we are creating a login, we need a layout. So we now click on finish. Then Cradle project sound. So the Cradle is the engine that builds the app, you understand, that builds the app for you. So this is, if you come here and I see login activity, this is the layout, the user interface. So this is where you add in the buttons, if you want to add buttons, text, images, and the rest, you understand. Now if you come to this place, this login activity, this is the Java side. This helps you to add in the programming codes to interact with the login layout. Like when somebody click on any button in the login layout, this is the exact place that will do the work, you understand. So this is the place that perform the work of the logins and everything. So this is just a basic tutorial of how I develop my applications. You know, I build music streaming apps, video streaming apps, chatting apps, and all that things. So other different types of apps. So this is what I use. I use Android Studio to develop my application. So I will be posting more tutorials on this Android Studio as time goes on. The things I've learned so far, you understand. I'm posting more tutorials. You guys have been asking for tutorials, so definitely I'll try my best to make tutorials. Though I'm busy with a lot of things, but I'll try my best to make tutorials. So the next thing now we're going to do now is that let me show people how my earnings have been going so far. How my earnings have been going so far. Okay, here is my Admob dashboard. You can see for yourself, you understand. So yesterday I was able to make 45.98, you understand. And the one thing I want to tell people is that I don't do self-clicking. People always ask me make tutorial on self-clicking. I don't do self-clicking. I don't. I create apps, publish it on Play Store, people download them, I make money. That's all. I don't do self-clicking because self-clicking will make Admob to ban my account. And I don't want Admob to ban my account. So yesterday I managed to make 45, and today so far this morning, so this is just morning, yeah, 20, this is 4:34 a.m. Nigerian time. I mean Nigeria, 4:34 a.m. So this morning already I've already made 11.12, you understand. So that is how my earnings have been going so far. So you can see for yourself. And my ad request has increased, you understand. So one of the reasons why the ads are still showing, they start showing ads my, because I have enough ad requests. You know, my ad request is what will help them to know that my account is not doing any self-clicking, because when they stop showing ad in my account, the ad request will stay coming, because they know that when they start showing ads in your apps, you will stop using the app now. You will stop using those apps you used to do simply because they have stopped showing ads, and now they will catch you. So, but when they stop showing ads, my ad requests come because my users kept using my apps. They kept, in fact, my users self will love it self. Users don't like seeing ads. So when they stop showing ads, my users will love my apps the more, and they want to use it the more. So, which will really help me, you understand? So, one thing you have to know about Admob is, and also when they place your ad limits, they will also try to hide your ad request. If you go to the policy center, you will not see any ad request. So for the past 7 days, I've made 227 and my ECPM. For every 1,000 impression, I've earned $9. So that is how my earning is going so far. So thank you for watching. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates on how my earnings are going, and for future tutorials on how to develop apps, because I'll be making more tutorials on how to develop apps. So subscribe to my channel. Bye.